Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby.
Okay, this is Tangjia, and this one is kind of expat, but it looks like it's closed, but I think there's some people in there, but I don't really know. But yeah, and actually I also saw up there's like a thing, like chest thing up on the 5th floor. I wonder if that's like something like this is up there. I don't know, they might have different advertisements, but yeah, I wonder. That looks pretty cool too, right? So anyways, we're up here where the old junk is at. I might try to go up there and see what that's all about. And then if we go downstairs, there's also more stuff to explore. And this is this little complex with, I think there's some expats that hang out down there somewhere too. So we'll see. There's a nail salon place over there. Yeah, there's kind of a mix of stuff up here. Yeah, so this is Tangjia, which is the northern part of Zhuhai. We're not too far from a bunch of universities in Tangjia ancient village. But yeah, this little complex is where I usually will see a foreigner or two. I'm gonna try to go up there and just see if the old junk is, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. So yeah, this is, yeah, right next to it is like a foot massage place, which is kind of interesting. I went up there briefly, but I couldn't really figure it out, so I didn't stay long enough to see. But we'll just kind of give you an idea of some of the stuff around in here before we go up on the elevator. There's all kinds of interesting stuff up here. So yeah, you can kind of see this whole little space up there. Let's try that again and we'll try to see if we can take a look. Yeah, this looks kind of cool too. Let me also go over here straight ahead. I also just want to see what all we got going before we go down to the other floors. So yeah, it looks like a restaurant. Let's just see what this is. Oh, it's like a it's like some kind of gym. Yeah, it's kind of cool. That's the main road going through Tangjia. So yeah, let's just go up and see if we can get into the old junk or not. Because that is the Expat. Let's also take a look from this side too. Okay, this is like Tai Chi or Qigong or something. That looks so cool, right? So we're gonna definitely walk around the different floors. So it looks like the second floor looks like there's like compartmentalized. I'm kind of new here. I went here one other time, actually two other times, but I just briefly came in here. I don't really know it. Let's go check that out. Okay, so now we're downstairs. Let me just kind of the skyline is like amazing. Wow, those are really good too. Whoa, you could have these on the street. So this little barbecue restaurant right here, that's a great place to get beer and just kind of get different stuff. Whoa, look at that skyline. I'm gonna take a photo of that. Yeah, that skyline is amazing. So okay, so actually outside here we have all these kind of barbecue restaurants, and yeah, that sky is incredible. I feel so lucky to capture that. So yeah, you can actually eat outside and have all this barbecue restaurants all the way throughout here. Okay, so we are going to go into this little venue right in here, and then we were up on the third floor, which is in this building right here. So we're gonna walk by that in a moment. Let me just see. And that place, I actually went up there to the fourth floor, which is where it was located at, and it said it was, they told me it was closed. So we're gonna walk down along the first floor, check out all these kind of barbecue restaurants, see what kind of stuff we have going on here. Then this was the space that we were just at, so I'm gonna get into the middle and try to capture it with all the beautiful lighting. Oh, the lighting is amazing right now. I think that's actually a barbecue restaurant right there. Yeah, the sky is incredible right now. So we're gonna walk down here. Oh yeah, there's stuff on the second story, third story. Just so you can get a reference, that says the old junk up there, which looks like the lights are on, but they said it said no, it's not open anymore, but it's right there. Now I think it's like a massage shop, the foot massage shop, it said. Okay, it's kind of restaurant stuff. Looks pretty good actually. And I think this beer clock one is where I see a lot of foreigners at. There's a lot of restaurants in here too. But yeah, I see some foreigners in there right now even. So yeah, this beer clock I think is where the foreigners go. There's always a couple older guys in there. But yeah, this is let me see. That might even be the owner there. Anyways, I want to keep on walking because I want to film, because the lighting right here is amazing. Look at that lighting, the purple sky like that. I also wanted to get up to the, that looks like a nice restaurant right there too. Got like kind of a barbecue dessert right there. So I don't know what to call this one. I guess the old junk is closed. Then you can see what other stuff is around here. Yeah, there's a beer clock. It looks like that's where expat foreigners might go to. Here's another bar right here. Oops, I kind of walked right into it and I can't. Taoist Craft Beer. What a cool name. I'm gonna film that with my other camera. Taoist Craft Beer. It's like a whole little beer bar in here. That looks like a pretty cool place too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna go further down. Here's all the bike rentals. You can rent a bike. That means somebody's trying to come up behind me, so they honk the horn so that I know what's going on. There's a few more places down here, including a pizza place. So I'm gonna walk down that way as well. But before we do, let me just kind of show you. This is basically a parking lot, but it's also more shops. Just kind of look all the way out. Now you can kind of see it's a whole little cluster of different stuff in here. The lighting tonight is amazing. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going in. It's kind of cool. Hong Kong. Fruits party over there. 21 Jag. It's like another. It's like that might be Italian. Let's see what else we got. There's a couple of pizza places. Mr. Pizza, Typhoon Bistro. There's stuff up there too. Let me just take a look at this Typhoon Bistro. Okay. I think it's kind of cool.
Hello.
Hello. Looks like a bar.
Yeah, and beer is craft beer.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna come back and
Oh, yeah.
shisha.
Yeah, yeah.
This
Where are
is
you from?
I'm American.
America, yeah. Beer is American beer.
Oh, you got American beer too?
Yeah, yeah. It's IPA.
Oh, IPA.
American IPA.
Oh, that sounds good.
Very happy. Yeah.
Typhoon Bistro. Good name.
Yeah, thank you. Every year have the typhoon come here.
Yeah, last week. Last week.
Okay.
And you got a pizza too. Okay.
My pizza.
Oh, okay. So you got pizza and grill.
Yeah, it's a Napoli pizza.
Ah, okay. And there's seating upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah, upstairs and upstairs.
I'm definitely come back.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Shishi. Okay, so Typhoon Bistro. I definitely would come back to that one. And then there's another one here called Mr. Pizza. So this one also looks like it's too. Let me just kind of take a look in here real quick. So you kind of got a restaurant. There's also a curry place and a Mr. Pizza on the other side too. Here's one called Pizza and Beer. So that's kind of cool. You can sit outside. Huh. Just a lot of really cool places around here. I definitely will come back another time. This looks really good. I think it's Kongi, but it also looks like this Korean one called Solentang. Okay, let's go all the way down to the end. here's a nice barbecue skewer place. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way back, and I'm probably going to end the video, but at least you kind of got an idea. And looks like kind of like a little bit of a bar area of Tangjia. I'm going to probably talk to that guy at 0 o'clock and just kind of see, ask him about certain things. Okay. Look at all those chilies, that is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to go, I think I'm going to try to talk to that 0 o'clock guy, just kind of ask him about this area, because I'm still kind of learning myself. But I don't want to put it on camera because so yeah, he was just basically telling me that yeah, there used to be he used to be the owner. I should have put him on camera, but I don't want to ask. But he used to be the owner of the Tangjia Tavern, and I guess he used to be down there. And then he's been here for 6 years, I guess during COVID. And then that one is closed for quite a while. He said that that one was an American one. So yeah. Anyways, this is this little area. It's getting kind of dark now, so I guess it's a good closing time. So yeah, this is kind of a little bit of a bar area. Not a major one, but a little bit of one. And we're gonna end it right there.